Hi yo, I'm here in Kidapawan, the Ford for the boys, to repair my F150. Kidapawan right now, and then this is my truck, F150 V8 Lariat, 2000 model, and here are the nice guys over here in Ford for the boys in Kidapawan. They're the one helping me to fix my light, and I got a Spyder light. There's a DRL, and the DRL you need to connect only the wiring. Black is black, brown and green, and these are his companion. Okay, here's John. He's one of the who manage the shop, and Ford bring it here at Ford for the boys. What street is this, John? Yeah, Gana subdivision in Kidapawan. Yeah. You're going to turn to that's Iglesia ni Cristo, right? Iglesia ni Cristo, and then turn left to Purok 4 or 4A? Purok 4A. Okay. Yeah, bring it here, your Ford truck or SUV or sedan at Ford for the boys in Kidapawan.